Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of KYT Know Your Town. Today for a change, we are not going to talk about COVID, Corona, but then we are going to talk something which will make you all feel happy and proud because we have with us Thane district topper of ICSE. As we all know that ICSE results are out, and today we are going to talk with the topper of Thane district, Prashas Chitravamshi is with us. First of all, we will welcome Prashas. Hi Prashas.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. He belongs to Billabong School and he has taken his private coaching from Mahesh Tutorials and he has scored 99.20% in his 10th standard ICSE. So we'll be discussing with him how was his journey and what were his preparations and all. First of all, Prashas, how are you feeling right now?
I am feeling very good. I got very good marks, so
Did you
it was
expect?
a very nice one.
Did you
I
expect this kind?
expected, yeah, I expected above 95.6%, and I got it.
So what was
My,
your first reaction when you saw your result?
I felt very happy, and even my mother, father, and brother were much more happier than me. They were shouting my score again and again.
Okay. So how were your preparations? Like many budding 10th standard students must be watching this interview. So how was your preparation and all? Can you elaborate on that?
Okay, so I used to study for like 2 hours every day when the exams were far. And when 2-3 months were left, I used to study a little more, like 4 or 5 hours. And I used to attempt many papers from different schools. And also Mahesh Tutorial and the school teachers, they helped me a lot and made me understand concepts and cleared many of my doubts.
Okay. So how those 2 hours would be for you? Like how would you manage those 2 hours? And is 2 hours enough?
Yeah, it's enough. Uh, if you study the 2 hours, you should do it with full concentration and full confidence. You should understand everything you are studying. And if you have any doubt, just ask your teachers.
Prashas, can you tell us how was your day like when you were in 10th standard? Like how would you plan your day? Like what time you used to get up, what you used to eat, how much time you used to study, what you used to study on what days? Was there a timetable fixed?
I had a timetable fixed only for which subject I'll study on that day, not a specific timetable for what I'll do on the specific time. Like I will study in whatever time I get. And I also used to relax myself a lot in many ways, like playing games or watching movies
Okay.
and studying.
So which are your favorite subjects?
My favorite is maths. I like it a lot. Like it seems very easy to me and it makes sense.
And the subjects which scare you? Or maybe you're a little
The
afraid of them.
scariest one, Hindi. It has too many stories and too much grammar. I used to fear that only, but I did not have to give it.
Okay. So like uh, how did you improvise on your weak subjects? Like how did you work on them?
I used to read the chapters which I did not understand again and again to understand them, and ask my teachers if I have any doubts, or just attempt different papers because they have many different questions which help to solidify my concept or understanding of them.
Okay. How would you manage school, class, and your own homework? Like, how was this management overall?
In the school, I usually just enjoyed myself and studied a little less. In the
Acha.
tuitions, I used to study much more. And in home, also, I used to study a little and relax myself more. Like I used to have fun.
Did you take tension or stress of this 10th standard anytime?
Yeah, I used to take some stress before the exams. I also used to relax myself a lot by watching many things.
Okay.
in doing activities. My friends were a great support. Stress buster.
Any particular tips which you would like to give to this budding students, like how to study, how to organize everything?
Like you should focus more on the subjects which are hard for you, and listen more to your teachers. They know everything. So follow all their tips and tricks and solve papers.
Okay. Now, what are your future plans?
In the future, I want to pursue engineering. I have joined Pace College in Thane, and I'll attempt IIT JEE exams.
What is your inspiration? Like, who inspires you? Who is your role model?
My role model will be my family members, my brothers, and other people. Like my father is very good. He studied in ISM, and my brother was also very good. He's also attempting IIT right now.
Okay. Okay. What actual role did school played in your success?
The school was very good. That school teachers were very helpful to me. They used to answer my doubt whenever I asked them. They gave me their numbers so that I could ask the doubts anytime. And even the school friends, they helped me a lot. They also answered my doubts many times.
Okay. And how about your coaching class, Mahesh Tutorial? How did they
My,
help you?
uh, they were also very good. They used to help me understand the concepts. I had 2 to 3 hours class every day, and I used to study faithfully in them with concentration. And there also I had many friends who helped me.
Lastly, I would like to ask you, like, what would you advise all the students who are watching this interview? What you will tell them? What is your success formula?
Uh, just be relaxed and don't worry about the results much. Like you should only enjoy the journey. The final result is not that satisfactory. Just enjoy the journey and you will enjoy the results also.
Fine. Thank you so much, Prasis, for talking with us. It was great talking with you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.